so for the what is Apache Tomcat? Apache Tomcat is commonly called as Tomcat, as that is an open source web server and the server container developed by Apache Software Foundations. So it's written primarily in Java and released under Apache license 2.0. So this is cross platforms application. So Apache Tomcat RHEL version of it, that means this is latest version of Apache. So you can find on this website, is there tomcat.apache.org, their website, where you can find about this latest version, documents and tutorials and everything about this Apache Tomcat. So now the first time going to install in Java 8 JDK. So for that installation, here is the procedure in installing in Ubuntu. If you are using Red Hat, CentOS, Fedora, means you need to type yum and install. You need to give just open JDK -8 in place of 8. You can give 765 also, and GRE. Here is the step 2 for installing JDK. After installation, you can check Java -version, and there is a website for this. You can download this Java directly from the Oracle websites, and there is a video tutorial I have made on installation on Java JDK latest 8 versions. So you can also install in this fine video not only in Ubuntu, you can find in Red Hat, Fedora, Linux also I have made. Just you need to search in it.net. So after that, I'm going to download and installing Apache Tomcat 8. Now the thing is, with this website for this Tomcat apache.org/download for downloading this Apache, and this latest version is 8. And then now the thing is creating the Tomcat in the new folder. So this is the new step 1, that I am going to create a folder under the /opt with the name of Tomcat. After that, I'm going to inside the folder of this Tomcat folder, and there is a or command is directly you can type mkdir, and this is /opt/tomcat and cd. So and after that we need to download the Tomcat 8. So step 3 is for the command to download. Then I'm going to check this download md5 checksum. So step 4 is we need to download the md5 checksum to check our matching or not. Then we need to verify this md checksum against the key which we have downloaded. So step 5, step 6 to check the both the keys are matched or not. So after that we need going to extract. Then I'm going to, after extract, it will be created one folder called Apache Tomcat version, and after that we are going to inside the folder. Then there is a bin directory will come up. We need to make a script executable under the Apache Tomcat. That means step 9 is a procedure for that one, to have give the permissions, and we need to, for the script we need giving the permission. After that we are going to create a symbolic link for the startup script. So step 10 is for startup script that I am going to create symbolic, and step 11 is for shutdown script that I am going to create it. And then after the 12th one I am going to start up the Tomcat. Then after the 13th one I'm going to type in the browser, any browser with this local host into port number 8080. So let us begin all those installation Java and Tomcat procedure. So here is the website where you can see Oracle is there. Just copy this link, open your browser, and here is for downloading JDK and GRE. Once you click on the download JDK, it will be redirect to your down page. You see here is the latest version 8U45 for the JDK, and after that here we need to accept the license agreement before downloading. Once I accept the license agreement, here is for 32-bit download x86, and here is the x64 is for 64-bit people download. So you need to download your tar.gz. Please remember to download tar.gz for Ubuntu. If you are using for Red Hat, Fedora, CentOS, you need to download tar.rpm. After download it, you can find this my video in your it.net channel about the installation of Java, and for this you can find it. So here is a Tomcat. See, you can see the latest version on the screen is showing. Tomcat 8 download is showing, and here is you can find about this homes menu, documentation is problems, and you can find get environments media. Here you can download zip, tar, digest, 32-bit, 64-bit, Windows supported. All those things you can find here about downloading. So mirror also you can select here. So my friend, here on the screen is Ubuntu 15.04. I am using server 64 supported. So now I am going to connect it with this putty. Now I am going to log in here with the user. So now I have been connected with the putty here. Let us check Java whether in my system has been installed. Now type Java, give a space, type -version. So here on the screen you can see the latest version 1.8, the 64-bit, and this has been installed in my system. If you have not installed Java, means you can install by typing sudo apt-get install. You need to give open jdk, you need to give -8-jdk. So in place of 8 you can give 7 also for the installation. So once you press and enter after typing, you need to press and enter for installing and downloading JDK. Now I am going to create a folder inside the OPT. So this is the folder I am creating, Tomcat. Press and enter. So you need to type sudo mkdir/opt/tomcat. So here you need to send the password. So that's a folder has been created now. And I'm going to inside this /tomcat folder. Right now here, after we going to inside the folder of Tomcat, we need to download a Tomcat inside the folder of newly created folder. So just press and enter for this downloading. Sorry, I need to just type forget to type sudo here because I am not a login into the root. So just press and enter after typing sudo wget http the link after that, and here is the size is 9.2 MB, which is going to be downloaded now. Now that's download had been completed. We'll check by typing ls. So here is the file. Now I'm going to download the wget here. So this is a command. You need to type the sudo wget. Here's the link. So this is the md check files. It's going to be downloaded. So it has also completed. Let us clear type ls. So here both md5 also checksum downloaded, and this Tomcat Apache also downloaded. So let us verify the key. So just type the cat, and this is we need to type this one you need to type. So just type and press and enter. So here we got the key. Now let us type md5 sum. So type this one command we need to type. So type Apache, press and enter. So on the screen you can see the key matches here. Both the key are matches here exactly. The downloaded and the md checksum, both the key has been matched. Now we need to unzip this downloaded file Apache. Press and enter. Just use sudo, press and enter. Now type ls to check this one is the extracted folder. No, sorry, this one is your extracted folder. Now type cd Apache, press enter, type ls. We need to find the bin folder. Here is the bin. So just log in with and go to the inside the bin folder. Type the command cd bin, type ls. So here is you need to type this command cd bin. Now we need to give a script permission here. So for that one, so just we need to give a permission here, chmod, need to give 700, and need to give your opt/tomcat/apache. We need to go folder. Okay, we need to give bin, we need to give star.sh. So just press and enter. So you need to use sudo, which once again I forget to give. Let's create a symbolic link for this one startup script. Type ln-s. You need to give /opt/tomcat/apache here /bin. You need to give here startup this one name. So give startup sh. Okay, /usr/bin, give tomcat up. So use sudo and then type this command, press enter. Now we are going to just remove this startup. In place of stop we need to give script. Sorry, we need to get shutdown script here, this one. So just type this shutdown sh. So press and enter. So just remove the up, give it down here, press and enter. just remember to give a script for shutdown. You need to mention here startup. For the startup you need to give Tomcat up here, and for the shutdown you need to give here shutdown Tomcat down. So we need to type here Tomcat up, use sudo here. So that's has been Tomcat started. Now you can see on the screen Tomcat started. Now open your browser, type the IP address of your server. So type ifconfig. Here is my IP address of server 192.168.120. Now come to your browser, type .0.120 semicolon, you need to give 808, press and enter. So on the screen you can see 808.120. when you give Apache Tomcat /8021k on you see successfully Tomcat installation configured. So here is your, you can see the complete installation. So changing the Apache Tomcat port number, for that one, so to first we need to shut down the Tomcat server. This is a command 14th one, Tomcat shutdown. If you want to start up Tomcat up, we need to give, and we need to open the server.xml file. There we can find this change number, port number 802. You can give any port number you want to give. I am giving example 208. Then we need to save and exit. So this is step 15 is the command to open this server.xml file, and this is sample output is showing that here I am just change connect to port number. We need to change their connector port. So after that we need to restart the Tomcats, and then we need to open your browser and need to type the IP address. Now, before that one we need to type the Tomcat startup. After that you can open your browser and type the localhost or IP address of the server, or you can type the domain name. After that you need to give semicolon your port number. You can check you're working or not. So after that, configuring Apache Tomcat, there is a configuration for that one. Is by default Tomcat page is accessed by only you. That means security implementations already there. So for unauthorized users do not have access to it. For that access, I'm going to create an admin in the section like server status, manager apps, host manager. So you need to add a user account for admin and managers. For that one, we need to open the file /opt, and that we need to open the config and Tomcat user.xml file. In that favorite editor you can open it. After opening, step 7 is the command to open your XML file. Then we need to mention the username admin and the password which you want to assign. So after that there is a manager user graphical also, and then you need to give a username API or any name, and you need to give the password for any. After that we need to restart the Tomcat again, and to check the changes new effect. So this is a command 18th one to type this Tomcat down, then you need to Tomcat up. That means it's going to shut down, then it's going to up. That means completely restart. So after that you open the browser, type the IP address or localhost, give the semicolon port number, then it will ask the username, the password for login interface. So let me show you this one. So let us first shut down the Tomcat. Type Tomcat down, press enter. So that means use sudo and Tomcat down, press and enter. So that has been done. So now I'm going to open this XML file. So to change the port number of that one, I'm typing, so use Tomcat, use Apache here, you need to use here config, you need to use server.xml, press and enter. You can open in any file your favorite editor, not only Nano, you can open VI also. So once you scroll down, you can find on the screen here is the port number 80, and I'm going to change it with 208. So here on the screen you can see 20 which I have given. Now we need to just press Ctrl X and save this file. Now we need to type sudo Tomcat up. Let us check the change of port number is working or not. So open that one, just remove 8080 to type 208, which I have given the new port number. So here on the screen you can see that's working with the new port number. Now we are going to change configuration here. Type sudo nano. In place of nano you can use VI also, and just type /opt/tomcat/apache Here you need to config, then you need to give Tomcat XML, press enter. So we need to add the lines below to the next Tomcat user. Here you need to come up and just paste this line. So once you paste this line after the tomcat -user, you need to give change. If you want to have admin in place of username, you can give any, and the password you want to give for any. So this for admin graphical user interface login, and this for manager user interface login. So you want to change the username, you can change, and you want to change the password, you can change it. So press Ctrl X and save this file. So here we need to shut down and restart Tomcat. Type sudo tomcat down. Now we need to type up here. So after that, just we need to refresh it here. So after refreshing here, you need to click on server status or your application manager. There is going to be asking the name, username, type username which we have given, and the password which we have given during the instance. So please remember, this is asking server, asking Tomcat manager application. So we need to give AVI here and the password which I have given for this insider. Subscribe to CloudNet channel. Please keep watching my channel and subscribe, share to my videos among your friends and relatives. Thank you for watching CloudNet video.